Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enter one-handed mode on iPhone 12. Let's go. So, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, then you need to scroll down a little bit and click accessibility, and then you need to click touch. One-handed one-handed mode is reachability. Yes, reachability, sorry, my bad. Reachability, now it's on, now it's off, let's turn it on. And how this works, for example, I will show it on settings. So, when I hold my phone like this, it's hard for me to reach here. So what I do is all I need to do is this little small movement here at the bottom side of the screen to down, and I can easily touch here. It's much easier than, and that's how it works. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.